Hello my dear friends, my name is Priyanka and today in this video I'm going to talk to you about pyramids. But before we talk about pyramids in detail and their usage, I would like you all to understand the term pyramid. Pyramid is a term which if broken becomes pyro, which means fire, and mid, which means middle. So pyramids are basically unique geometrical structures which have their inner base angle as 52 degrees. Now, what makes them so special and unique? The fact that pyramids converge the cosmic energy makes them very special. If we put them to the right use, we can yield great benefits. To name a few, I have few pyramids in the house which I'm going to show you around how I use. To start with, I have this small, beautiful pyramid which I always keep next to this plant. This is a money plant which is being propagated in water. Now, since the beginning, when I planted this plant in this water container, there were only 2-3 leaves which this plant had, which this stem had. I had planted it in the water and have always kept this pyramid next to it. The energy of this pyramid has helped this plant grow healthier in comparison to all other money plants that I have in the house and the same kind of circumstances that they are growing in. Now, if you notice, the leaves of this plant are unusually big and the stem has also grown very healthy. Unlike other money plants, the stem is so strong that it doesn't need any support to stand. Usually, money plant is a creeper which always needs a support to stand. But you can see this plant does not need any support, the stem is standing on its own. Another fact that I have always filled the water which has been kept under pyramid, at least overnight. So whenever I have to water my plants, this plant or any other plant which is potted in soil, I always give water which is kept under pyramid for some time. And that has definitely helped me grow my plants in a better manner and they look much healthier. Another thing that I would like to tell you is that this small copper pyramid that I have in the house, I always use to cover the water. So I keep the water bottle like this and pyramid over it. And usually I keep it overnight and early in the morning I drink this water. This pyramid helps in recharging the water. It helps in restoring all the natural qualities of the water that generally water loses because of the treatment it undergoes before we drink it. So the water becomes very heavy, it becomes hard water, and if we talk about the pH value, the water that comes out of the AquaGuard or machines that we use in the house, that becomes acidic in nature. But if we keep it under the pyramid for some time, the water restores its original value and it becomes alkaline, which is healthier, which is good for human body. And just imagine, my dear friends, our human body has such a great ratio of water in it. And if we are taking the correct water, the healthy water, it is definitely going to help us. So we have these pyramid knee belts in the house. We have 2 of these. My father, who's an arthritis patient, uses these knee pyramid belts to wear on his knees. These basically help him whenever he's facing a lot of pain in his knees. So he says, whenever I wear the knee pyramid belts, the pain goes. So this has medically helped him a lot. There is another thing that we use in the house, which is eye band. This is kind of a spectacle with an elastic at the back side. So if somebody has issue with eyesight, or if somebody has other kind of problems with eye, they can always wear these over their eyes and they get much relief. So if there is burning sensation in the eyes, or you're feeling very tired, your eyes are feeling tired, you can always wear these pyramids on your eyes like this and tie this strap, and this will definitely help you overcome that problem, the pain or the uneasiness. In regards to fruits and vegetable, one very major concern that we all have is the fact that the fruits and vegetables have been grown using pesticides, insecticides, and fertilizers, which makes us feel that these are not healthy to intake. So I make it a point that I keep my vegetables and fruits under this pyramid cap so that when I'm consuming it, they are energy rich. They retain all their original value and they become very, very healthy. And any food, any fruit or vegetable that is kept under the pyramid becomes organic. So that becomes healthier to intake. Even when I'm preparing curd at home, I cover it with pyramid. So what I get as a result, the curd that is formed is healthier, it is tastier, and it is thicker also. Now friends, I have shown you around how I use these pyramids to cover my food items. I also cover my water pitcher with this pyramid at times. So whenever I am not meditating using this pyramid, this is put to various uses in the house. And when I'm meditating, how it helps me? When I sit for meditation, I wear this as my pyramid cap and I close my eyes. I have experienced that my meditation is 3 times more powerful. And how do I feel that? I'm able to hit the meditative state easily when I'm wearing a pyramid cap in comparison to when I'm sitting without a pyramid in my head. It makes me go to that no thought zone very easily. And when I come out of my meditation, I feel more relaxed. So my meditation seems to be more powerful when I'm wearing a pyramid cap on my head. It has also been noticed, my dear friends, that on roads which are accident prone, if these kind of pyramids are installed or put up, the number of accidents go down or sometimes even become completely nil. And if we place pyramids around in different rooms in our house, we can also sense the kind of harmony it brings in the relationships. I have installed pyramids almost in every room, and without any qualms, I can say that this has definitely worked on the mental well being of the family members. So, these are must have structures in the house. They are very, very beneficial. I hope this video helps you understand how these can be very easily used in the house and you can reap greater benefits by making those small little changes in your daily life. Thank you so much, my dear friends.